where I live, it's really wet and rainy today, so I'm wearing something that is still cute, but it's not too heavy and hot. Hey you guys, so today I am wearing this waist belt that I got in a pack of 3 from WetSeal at my mall. This infinity scarf is from Target, and in this video there's going to be a lot of things from Target. This nail polish is Alpine Snow by OPI. This purse is from Target as well, and I got it for $25.99. These brown tights are from Target that I got for $5, and this whole dress is from Papaya. I bought these boots at DSW, and I'll put all the links below. Follow me on my new Instagram.